Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a crispy and unique treat using the most common ingredients in every home, rice. Let's turn leftover rice into something fun and crunchy. Start with 1 cup of raw rice. Soak it for 2 to 3 hours. Then wash it well. Add the soaked rice to a blender along with 1/4 cup of cooked rice. And add half cup of water. Blend it into a smooth paste. Rice is eaten by more than half the world's population every day, and in many countries it's even used to make snacks, dessert, and even beauty treatments. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Using a mix of raw soaked rice and a little cooked rice gives the batter better texture. It holds shape and fries more evenly. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Carefully pour small portion of the mixture into the oil. Fry on medium heat for 5 minutes until light the color and crispy. This kind of rice snack is a favorite in many Asian countries, and every region gives it its own twist. Don't overcrowd the pan while frying. The oil temperature will drop and the snacks won't get crispy. Fry in small batches for best result. Sweet, salty, or even spicy. Make sure the batter is smooth but not too runny. The texture decides the crispiness. This is a great way to use leftover rice and avoid waste. You can even try air frying small portion for a lighter version. And there you have it, a simple crunchy rice snack. You can enjoy with tea, chutney, or just on its own. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more easy, fun, and tasty recipes. Until next time, stay happy and keep creating magic in your kitchen.